Welcome to another episode of Kitchen Revelations. So today I've come up with another interesting and healthy recipe. It is a recipe made out of drumstick leaves or moringa leaves. So without wasting much time, let's quickly get on to the video. Heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, then add 5 to 6 tablespoons of freshly grated coconut. Toast them till they turn golden and not brown. Once golden, switch off the flame, transfer it onto a plate and then keep it aside. Heat a pan and add some oil. Here I've used coconut oil, 3 to 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. Then add 1 tablespoon of urad dal. Let them splutter. Once they splutter, add in 3 medium-sized onions finely sliced. Sort them till they turn translucent. Here I've used a cast iron pan. Cast iron pan helps in enriching your food with iron. Hence those who are suffering from iron deficiency should definitely try to incorporate this metal in their daily cooking process. Next add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon red chilli powder. Sort them till the raw smell of the spices go away. Next add pepper. This is a health tip. Always try to add pepper along with turmeric because it helps in absorption of an active ingredient called curcumin in turmeric into your body. Next I've added moringa leaves. I've not chopped them and I've also kept the tiny stems that come along with the leaves, as they're anyways going to shrink after cooking. Moringa leaves are a powerhouse of health benefits. I've already shared a video previously where I've made a dish out of moringa leaf. It is a side dish, and there I've explained the health benefits. For all those who have not watched it, I'll be sharing the link below. Next we'll cover and cook these leaves for about 5 to 10 minutes or until they turn tender. If they're not cooked properly, some people might get digestion issues. Finally, I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of salt. Always add very little salt for moringa leaves recipes. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon next to it for regular updates. Click on the all option so that you get updates as and when I post. Finally, I'll be adding the toasted coconut as well as some fresh coconut. Since moringa leaves are slightly bitter, the sweet fresh coconut flavor will enhance the taste of this recipe. Finally, I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of coconut oil for that fresh aroma. This recipe goes well with rice and curd combination. You can also have them with roti. I hope you all like this recipe. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching Kitchen Revelations.